everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Statistician Hub. Today we will learn about radar plots and also we will see how we can draw the radar plots in MS Excel. First, we will see what radar plots are. Radar plots are used to visualize the multivariate data. Radar plot are also known as spider chart, polar chart, wave chart or star plot. A circle is drawn first and the values of the independent variable are considered as an angle corresponding to a predetermined radius of the circle. The response variable is considered along with the radius. This plot does not require any axis for its drawing. Only a radial scale is considered that can be demarked using concentric circles. There are some key elements of radar plots, namely center, data points, radial axis, data lines or polygons, scale, fill color or shading, category levels, and grid lines. Next comes why one should use radar plots. Radar plot represents and compare multivariate data in a single graphical display. It is easy to interpret and can be easily created in MS Excel. These charts can effectively highlight outliers. The plot occupies less space compared to an equivalent multiple bar diagram or multiple line diagram. There are three types of radar plots: simple radar plot, field radar plot, and radar plot with markers. Now, let us consider an example to see how we can draw radar plots in MS Excel. In this example, the indexes of industrial production are given sector-wise for the year 1997 to 1998 and for the year 1998 to 1999. Now let us move to Excel. Here I have already entered the data. Now to draw the radar plot, let us first select the data and click on Insert. Then we click here and we go to radar. As we have already discussed that there are three types of radar plots, so here we get three options, that is simple radar, radar with markers and field radar. According to our need, we can select any one of this radar. Here we will select the simple one. In this plot we can make some changes, like we can add the chart title, radar plot. Then by clicking the plot we get three options. Here we can add, remove or change chart elements such as the title, legend, grid lines and data labels. Here we can change the style and the color. Here we have different options. Then we can also change the color. And in the last option we can edit what data points and names are visible on your chart. So in this way we can draw the radar plots in MS Excel. Thank you for watching the video.